Hello everyone. Today we're going to see about various means of managing risk. There are 6 ways we have regarding management of risk. First one is risk avoidance. Second one is prevention. Third one is risk reduction. Then fourth one is risk separation. Then fifth one is duplication. Then finally risk diversification. We go through all these things one by one. First one is risk avoidance. So whenever we have the risk, the best method to handle or manage the risk is avoiding the risk. So it's the best means of loss control. So when you avoid the risk, you simply escape from the loss. So simply it guarantee for zero loss. You have decided to start a business and you come to know if you start that particular business, the result will be only loss. It's better you can avoid that business. So when you avoid, you completely free from loss. So avoiding is a first method or first type to manage the risk or loss. Second one, risk prevention or loss prevention. So certain cases, it's very difficult to avoid the risk. Okay, first example, theft. So here we can use certain techniques to prevent the loss. We know that the risk is unavoidable in certain cases. So here we try certain techniques. We make some attempt to prevent the loss. That is called loss prevention. For example, storing inventory in a warehouse means that is cause for theft sometime. So here we can prevent that with the help of security guards, video cameras, and other security system in the storage. So these are the things we can do under risk prevention. Then third one is risk reduction. Regarding risk reduction, here, sometimes we can't prevent the risk or we can't avoid the risk. So we try to minimize the loss. We try to minimize the threat. We try to minimize the impact of risk. That is called risk reduction or loss reduction. For example, the company might need to store flammable materials in a warehouse. So here, it decides to install state-of-the-art water sprinkler in the warehouse. So if a fire occurs, the amount of loss will be minimized. So here we try to minimize the impact of risk. Next, the fourth one, separation. Separation is another type of management technique. So here it involves dispersing key assets. So here, if something negative happens in one location, the impact to the business is limited to the particular location. The assets in the other locations may be saved. So simply we disperse assets and things. Instead of keeping everything in a single place, we kept in a multiple places. So separation is another method to avoid or control the risk. Next, duplication. So duplication simply about you have to create backup plan. So backup plan for something that is called duplication. So especially when you deal with technology oriented business, you must have backup plan because a failure with an information system server should not bring the whole business to a halt. So you should create backup plan. So with the help of that backup plan, you're able to manage the particular risk. Then finally, risk diversification. So the name itself is clear. You diversify the risk. Nowadays, lot of companies, they follow this strategy, risk diversification. So you can create multiple lines of products and services. So multiple lines of products and services. When you go with a variety of products and services, even if one product fail, be able to manage with the help of success of other products. So that's why nowadays the companies, they always come up with a number of different products. They always invent new products. The thing is, they are able to manage failure of one product, the help of success of another products. So these are the possible ways or types we have to manage risk. I hope you understood. Thank you.